Our service is based on the 8 core principles of the whole school approach, and one of them is enabling student voice. We wanted a project that not only enabled student voice within the school setting, but was something that we could use as a service, as a participation tool to ensure that we was kind of making sure what we were doing was matching up with the ideas of what children and young people wanted from a service like us. I had about 3 months to create this project under the supervision of Laura Lockett, our service lead, and she wanted me to take the time and roll out the project slowly so that we had this kind of trial and error phase. And I'd conduct a wellbeing audit with them. So I'd get the usually it was the designated mental health lead or the designated safeguarding lead's view of where they were at as a school in terms of a baseline for supporting wellbeing issues. So that was everything that they're continuously doing at the minute, supporting wellbeing, but then also where they think their issues for challenges were. And the way that we'd individualize it for schools, it would start with conversations between our team who would work in the different schools. It would then progress into conversations with the schools themselves before the training was even agreed upon. And we'd conduct the wellbeing audit, get that baseline, and then during the training delivery with the children and young people and a couple of members of staff from the school, we would discuss the school's culture, that individualized school's culture. What were the biggest concerns, and how do we tailor what we're going to do after today to really target those specific wellbeing challenges? That was how everything was individualized. So there isn't 2 schools that has the same project going on. I split the project up into a few key areas. So there was education, so learning about wellbeing and mental health and emotional wellbeing. Then there was actual practical based activities where the children and young people in any setting can learn how to champion their peers, know what is their responsibility and what isn't. And then there was a huge element of safety. If there is something that feels that it needs to be dealt with by a professional, children and young people should know where to go to get that support. I feel really lucky that I'm in a service and I'm in a team where I was supported by the whole team to create this. So in that time I had to create the project, I spoke with every supervisor practitioner about their different cohorts